Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a new month. We are December 2nd, 2019, and that means we can take a look at the different versions of Windows 10 and what their market share is all about. Of course, we are now a month away from the Windows 7 end of support. So, of course, we're December 2019, January 2020 is the last update and last support for updates for Windows 7. So the numbers, Windows 10 is at 64.7% of the Windows market right now. This is up from 62.98, so 63% to 64.7 is a nice jump of 1.7%. This is nice, and I think we will have a look of how it actually increased this year, because it's going to be interesting in a second video. Now, Windows 7 declined from 28% to 27.45%. So that's more than 0.5% of drop, which means that in the final number, which the one we'll be looking at is the one in January. When for January, we should probably have a Windows 7 at 25 or 26%. It's still going to be 1 out of 4 computers still running Windows 7. That's still a lot of computers out there. Windows 7, of course, at this speed of increase is probably, the last number we had was 900 million devices. I think we're getting really close to having that billion devices if it's not already there, because now it's really increasing faster. And I think the end of Windows 7, of course, support probably helps in having this happen right now. Windows 8.1 and Windows 8 together at 6.2%, which is the last number that is down there, slowly decreasing, but still there, 6.2%. Windows 8 is the third Windows 10 operating system. And then we have Windows XP at 1.29% and Windows Vista at 0.31%. So interesting to see these numbers, and it will be particularly interesting to see how December will end and how January will be with the Windows market share. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching our videos.